The White House condemns Hong Kong election delay after Trump suggests postponing U.S. election. I'll let that one sink in. Trump predicts this year will bring the greatest election disaster in history. Worse than when you became president after losing the popular vote by 3 million? That's hard to beat. Trump wants to ban TikTok, a social media platform that showcases talented dancers.
You used to call me on the cell phone.
Donald, stand by me. Oh, and we'll stand by you. Come on and stand. We'll stand by you.
No wonder he doesn't like it. Facebook removed a Trump post containing harmful COVID misinformation. Things are bad if you're losing the moral information battle to Facebook.